Hello guys, for this video I will give you an update about Bitcoin and some cryptocurrencies, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim. I am your trainer and coach. So for this video, we try just to go into little details about Bitcoin. As we have seen before, Bitcoin collapsed from $20,000 for one Bitcoin to nearly 3,000. But these few weeks, there is a big trend. It is forming and it's going up, and I will show you what did happen in these weeks. So if you go to Coinbase, which is the website for this Bitcoins here in USA, so as you can see, Bitcoin has gone 5.39 and it is now nearly $5,000, $4,975.03 for today. Okay, so it was just a few weeks ago, it was 3,500, so it is going so good. Ethereum is 167.42, which 11%. But the good thing is Litecoin. It goes 19.71 for today, so it's so good. And Bitcoin Cash is 257.41.01. So there is a big push of these cryptocurrencies for these weeks, and hope it will stay more and more. So if you have bought these days or these weeks, understand that you are going to make a lot of money from this. But understand, this is I always tell in all my videos, when you are trading, understand you should follow the trend. If something is going up, you keep it. But whenever this thing, the trend stop going up and everything collapse, you should exit quickly and don't hold for a long time. Okay, understand that the people who have bought Bitcoin at 19,000, at 15,000, at 11,000 before, and they get a big loss, maybe they will stay years, and who knows, maybe the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies go down again. Okay, so always try to follow the trend. As in stocks, as in Bitcoin, is the same thing. Wherever you go, foreign currency pairs, if you are trading like going long or shorting, okay, or you are investing like when you buy and you hold, like for what I show you, and even if you go to what we say forex, like currency pairs or futures or stocks, everything is the same when you see the chart. Okay, there are techniques where you should just know when to buy, when to hold, and when to exit and sell. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.